Now we've been running this application locally by opening the file directly in the browser. Now let's run this application on a server, which is a Webpack Dev Server. Go ahead and install the package called Webpack Dev Server globally. Once it's installed, make sure that it's installed globally inside node modules in the users directory. Alright, since I've already installed, I'll skip this step. Navigate to your working project, change directory, and give path of your project, which is Webpack example. Give a command called Webpack Dev Server. Now to open this application through server, we have to give the path of our index.html file, which is inside Webpack example static right here. For that, we have a command called content base should be current folder static. So when we run the server will point to this particular folder. Hit enter. Now you may get this error message if port 8080, which is default port that is being used by Webpack Dev Server, is being used by some other application. If you want to change the port, you can give another command called port and give any number you want and hit enter. As you can see, we now have access to this static folder through the server, which is localhost 4000. By default it creates this virtual directory for us. So copy this, select and hit enter to copy. Open your browser, paste, hit enter. Open your console. You should still be able to browse the application without this. There it is. Alright, now if you want to make changes in the application, you can open another instance and run Webpack in watch mode. Now this instance keeps watching for changes in our application, while this instance keeps our server up and running. Alright, so let's go ahead and make some changes in our application. Let's remove this, save. As you can see, it bundled our file, and if you refresh the page, okay, I guess we have to point it to bundle.js. Save, come back, refresh. The footer is, this is a footer. Let's change header now. Let's take this out. Hit save. So it ran Webpack and also it bundled. Go to browser again, refresh. There it is. So this is about Webpack Dev Server. If you want if you want to come out of it, you can hit Ctrl C twice. And if you want to know more about available commands, you can hit -H for help. So these are the various commands available. Alright. Stay tuned and subscribe. Cheers.